Hello guys, DJ Aaron here. Alright, so I'm making this video on my YouTube channel and I literally figured out something. I have literally figured out something, and it contains to high definition video. This right here is a kind of a Japanese or kind of a China-made camcorder, but it shoots in very good HD. So if you guys look at that, and this, it really doesn't have a model number other than what I could tell you, but let's see here. And then we got me and all that stuff. But it shoots very good video, and it does have a bright LED on it. You're going to need a bright LED just for shooting in low light. But even though that this is a kind of a China-made camcorder, it works. I mean, yes, it has digital zoom, and it is a little bit better. Let me drag down this old piece of crap that opened once. It is a lot better than this old piece of crap, let me tell you. A lot better built than this old piece of crap. This is an old camcorder right here that I've had since I was doing YouTube a long time ago. You can tell the USB connector is gone on this one. And yes, I've taken this apart so you guys could see inside it. And that's where the battery goes, and that's where also the SD card goes. This one was cheaply made. This one was. In case you guys are wondering why I upgraded, and as you can tell, the viewfinder on this one is like that, and I'm pretty sure that this is a China-made one, and this is by Viewpoint Solutions. It is a model DA1/VP. I mean, it was a good camcorder for its time. It had the lens right there, and it also had the flash, which every time you would freaking do something, it would wear down the battery. This is what I started out with, pretty much. And then after this thing took a dump, I have the iPod Nano, and it did very well, and it served me well for a long time. And I think I still have videos on here. Hello guys, DJ Aaron here. I'm working on this. Yeah, I still have videos on here. I don't know if you guys could see, but very closely. There we go. But I still have videos on that. And this is an upgrade from this, pretty much, but it's a higher definition version of it. It's got a bulky battery down there. It's got my 4 gig memory card in there. Only 4 gigs, but it works. I got this as a Christmas gift, and comes with a lens cap. Why did I go for the cheaper camera? Well, this is built a little bit better than this one. Even though this one had a little bit more features on it, like a gamepad thing. You can play games on it. Now that the USB is gone on it, it really isn't used for anything anymore. But this camcorder right here is not fake. Sure, it's kind of modeled after the Sony Handycam, like some of you do have. It's modeled after the Sony Handycam. It's got a better backlit display on it. The lens cap is on it, that's why it's dark. But the only downside of this camcorder is it has a mono microphone. That's the only downside. And, you know, when you do things very close, it's kind of blurry, which I know this thing has digital zoom, but I'm pretty sure with little bit of adjustment and stuff, this can actually run properly. Back here, you have indicators, which has busy and charge. And I don't have anything on this memory card right now. You can tell it's it has 20 minutes on it, 20 minutes and 4 seconds. I think I took a few pictures on this as well. I mean, the picture quality isn't that great for photos, but for video, it's 10 times better. This is a pretty good camcorder if you're going to start out and shit. This has it says busy right now. Oops, I accidentally started to record. Shit. Okay. I was recording nothing. Delete. Back here we have some ports. We have the charging / USB port, in case you want a better way to plug it into your computer. We have HDMI, and then we have TV out for composite video. It's pretty awesome. Like I said, we have the busy light, which flashes whenever it's recording. And then we have the charge light, indicates when the battery is charged. We have one battery bar right now, which it's still there. But for being a camcorder, and yes, this has 24.0 megapixels. So the file format this shoots in is an AVI format, AVI high definition format, full HD, full high definition. Has a nice grip. This is labeled as a digital video camera, but it's kind of modeled after the Sony Handycam, but just a Chinese no-name brand camcorder. But it works great. I mean, this is enough to get a person by for just shooting video. I mean, I have videos up on my YouTube channel already of this camcorder. I didn't want to show an unboxing of it because I pretty much was so excited to get a camcorder that I literally had to skip the unboxing, but here it is. The record button's back there. Press it once to record, and up here you have the zoom, and then move it back and forth. You have photo, which you hold this down and you can take a photo. It says stereo up on top, but this is where the speaker is. The microphone is on the inside here, which right here is the microphone. It's not a bad quality microphone. It's actually pretty decent. But this is where a speaker would normally go on normal camcorders, but the speaker is up here. This too might also be a speaker and microphone combo. You never know about camcorders like this, but here are the buttons. We have the up-down buttons that kind of sift through the menu. We have the menu button, and then we have OK and mode. We have the power on for the light. Power's off, and I think to hold this down, it will shut off the camcorder, and to press it again, it will turn on the camcorder. So it works. It's a multi-function button. It will turn on the light, and it will also turn off the camcorder. So that's cool. Anyways, this is much better than this piece of crap. Okay, even though that this is a no-name brand camcorder, this was a piece of crap. I got this free in an old abandoned house we were cleaning out. But this was a piece of crap compared to this. I think this one had, it said MPEG-4 D1. It had a remote, battery, lithium ion. I still have the battery for it somewhere. It had digital zoom, 8 times digital zoom. This one has, I believe this one has 18. It's called super zoom, but it's still digital zoom. This has a Panasonic, I believe it has a Panasonic, whatever it is, but there's Panasonic stuff in there. Video mode, I believe it had a 2.5-inch LCD screen. It's a 5-megapixel camera. This one was. It was pretty good. This right here is. This one right here is 24 megapixels for photos and video. This is full HD digital image stabilization, 18 times zoom, and I believe this has face capture. So this one's a little bit better than this one. This one's probably a little more expensive than this one. So I like this. It's pretty cool. So anyways, this video has gone on long enough. But anyways, guys, I kind of want to just show you what I am shooting with now. This is a little bit better than this. But, you know, it's got all the functions and features as them regular camcorders like Sony Handycams, Panasonic cameras, etc. This has all the functions and features. It even has the effects, etc. You play around with and all that stuff. So anyways, guys, that is it for this video. Peace out and practice and enjoy.